Welcome again to the continuation of the topic trigonometry. We want to look into angles and quadrants. Angles and quadrants. What does the word angle mean? An angle is the meeting point of two lines. Or put in another way, an angle is formed when two lines meet at a point. When two straight lines meet at a point, we say an angle is formed. When two straight lines meet at a point, we say an angle is formed. Okay? Now, in the quadrants of trigonometry, we have four good quadrants. Four good quadrants in trigonometry. Let's get the quadrant. Here, this is the first quadrant. This is second quadrant. This is third quadrant. Why this is the last quadrant, fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant, theta ranges from 0 to what? 90 degrees. So theta must be greater than 0 and less than 90. Then for the second quadrant, theta is greater than 90 but less than 180. Theta is greater than 180 but less than 270. Theta is greater than 270 but less than 360. That is what happened in the fourth quadrant. Now I want to go in detail to see what happened inside these quadrants one after the other. For us to do it, we go to the first quadrant. We now say, here is horizontal axis. Then, if a line moves from this point up, now that line makes an angle of theta with horizontal. Now that line makes an angle of theta with horizontal. Here, we call here R and say this is vertical line Y. Then, let's see what happened in the first quadrant. We sketch it out. Here is Y, here is X, and here is R. Then we have angle theta here. That tells us that when we talk about sine theta means so opposite over what? Hypotenuse. So here will be opposite, Y is opposite, S is adjacent, YR is hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse, that will be giving you Y over S. This is positive because we are talking about positive Y, and this is positive X. Y over R, please. Y over R because we said opposite over what? Hypotenuse. Y over R. Then they are positive because here is positive and here is positive. It's located in the positive Y axis, Y and S. So the Y is positive because we are talking about positive Y. R is also positive because it's located at the positive part of the quadrant. Then we come again to sum. So we put this plus to show that sine is positive here in the first quadrant. We go to cos theta. We said that cos theta will be using cap. Adjacent over hypotenuse. And what is adjacent? We say X. What is hypotenuse? R. That will be giving us positive answer as well. Because this is positive, this is positive. Positive X and positive Y. So both of them, this is positive S, this is positive R because it's positive aspect of the quadrant. Then we come again and say tan theta, this is 2R. That is opposite over adjacent, opposite over adjacent. y over x. Since both are in the positive aspect of the Cartesian axis, positive y, positive x, located here, we say everything will also give you positive. Then we can now say that in the first quadrant, that all the three ratios are positive. Why? Sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta equals to sin 90 minus theta. And tan theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. So that is what happened here. Okay? Let's write it so that we can see it very well. Since everything is positive, we say all are positive in first quadrant. That means sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Then cos theta equals to sin 90 minus theta. And tan theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Then we say we are through with first quadrant. We go to the second quadrant to see what happens there. In the second quadrant, there will be another line that will move. There will be another line that will move from the middle. A straight line. Then here is negative x, and up is positive y, and here is r. So what we do here is that we sketch it out. Here is negative x, positive y, because here is positive, negative. Then here is our r. Then here is 90 degrees. Then your theta will be formed here. Theta will be here. Then we now say for cos theta, cos is from car, adjacent over hypotenuse. Here is our hypotenuse, here is our adjacent, and here is our opposite. Then we say car means minus x, which is this, all over r. So everything will be what? Negative. We go for sin theta. Sin theta is opposite over hypotenuse plus y over r. Then we say everything will be positive because there is no negative there. Then tan theta is equal to 2r, opposite over adjacent. Opposite is y, adjacent is minus x, everything is negative. That tells you that only sign is positive in the second quadrant. You say sin theta equal to plus sin 180 minus theta. Cos theta equals to minus cos 180 minus theta, and tan theta equal to minus tan 180 minus theta. Okay? Then we go to the third quadrant to see what happened at the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, a line will move this way. Then we have it this way. Here 90 degrees because vertical and horizontal. Then here will become our theta. So here is our theta. Here is now moving downward. So negative y, negative x. Because the x is negative and the y is negative. Here remains our r, resultant. Then we now say that sin theta equal to opposite over adjacent. Where is our opposite? Here. Opposite. Here. Adjacent. Here. Hypotenuse. So when you say opposite over hypotenuse, that is minus y over r. Everything will be negative. Cos theta, adjacent over hypotenuse minus x over r. Everything is negative because we have negative sign. Then tan theta equal to, tan is opposite over adjacent. Opposite is minus y, adjacent is minus x. Minus divide minus, everything will be positive. So we see only plus, only tan is positive in third quadrant. So we now say in the third quadrant we have sine theta equal to minus sine theta plus or minus 1/8. Please, plus or minus is very important to be put here. Cos theta equals to minus sine minus cos theta plus or minus 1/8. Then tan theta equal to plus tan theta plus or minus 1/8. Okay? Then you come to the fourth quadrant. Here will be your theta. We now say in the fourth quadrant, let's write what we get there. Remember, only t is positive here, only s is positive here. Let's see what happened in the fourth quadrant. We draw it out. Here theta, then here positive x, here negative y, and this is r. We now say cos theta, here is opposite, here is adjacent, and here is hypotenuse. Cos theta, adjacent over hypotenuse, x over r. The s is plus x. So everything is positive. The s is plus x. Then sine theta equals to opposite over hypotenuse minus y over r. Everything is negative because y is negative. Then tan theta opposite over adjacent minus y over x. Everything is negative. So only cos is negative. So we also say here C, meaning sine theta equals to minus sine 360 minus theta. Then cos theta equals to plus cos 360 minus theta. Then tan theta equals to minus tan 360 minus theta. So we've been able to derive or show what happened in the fourth quadrant. So this is what happened in the fourth quadrant, and this can be used to solve any question on trigonometry involving quadrant. In the next video, we will see how to use this quadrant to solve questions on trigonometry. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video. See you in the next video. Thank you.